Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. If you are a returning subscriber, you're probably like, what is this girl doing? And if you are actually new here, be sure to subscribe so that you can see my savings journey, my debt-free journey, and things of that nature. So right here, this is my sinking fund notebook that I created myself. It's not all the way complete, but I just got it yesterday, and I started some challenges for myself. The first challenge is the $5 challenge, and then the $1 challenge. The $1 bills will be going to my daughter. And as you guys can see right here, I have a lot of cash envelopes because I'm trying to save and stuff. I got these envelopes last year in a giveaway, so you guys, I should have been, you know, saving already, but I just could never get it right. So I decided to actually stick to it. And I've been seeing a lot of cash stuffing videos and sinking fund videos, so I'm going to restart, you know, and I decided to record it so that I can hold myself accountable. And today I was cleaning out my closet and I found a bag of change that I've been storing. I also have this Bloomingdale's wallet full of change. So I'm going to be rolling my change and starting this savings journey. So the $1 bills and the 50-cent rolls, those will be going to my daughter and her piggy bank. If you guys want to see what's in my daughter's piggy bank already, since I'm starting this journey over, let me know down in the comments. Also, I don't actually like have any goals or what I'm actually saving for yet as far as sinking funds wise, but I know for sure I want a emergency fund. And it's currently November 23rd where I'm starting my journey, and this is during the time where I usually get stressed out about funds. So I'm starting, you know, my savings for 2021 and so on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the rest of my change. I already started, but then I decided to film it because I've been seeing a lot of these videos, but not so much of the coin videos. So I'm going to make one doing that. Also, I don't have any nickel rolls. I only have the quarter, dime, and penny rolls. So I'm only going to be rolling what I can. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm also new to this, so comments any tips of how to make these videos better for you and any tips you have as to saving. So once I roll everything, I'm going to allocate of what I have actually saved. I'm not going to do the 5 cents, the nickels, because I don't have any rolls. So all the 5 cents is going to go in this jar. And then I actually roll in rows. I'm going to count that, and that's what is going to be as to what I have saved. So like whatever I have left, I'm not going to count that, and I'm going to do an updated video once I get some nickel rolls, show you how much everything really is. So yeah, this is just like a rough draft start of, you know, my journey. So these are all the quarters. And I currently have $15 and change rolled up inside this jar over there. And then I'm going to put the pennies in this bag right here. So I'm just going to sort everything before I start counting. You guys, change could be so freaking dirty, but it's okay. This change is going to turn into dollars. Let me know down in the comments as well what cash envelopes you guys have and what sinking funds you guys have. Oh, and here, oh look, $2. So as I said, I started doing this today. So all these ones is going to go to my daughter's piggy bank. And I'll count this as well at the end. I know I shouldn't have that candle right there, but I do. I have a $1. I honestly think the $5 that I cash in, I think it will be the dimes. Yeah, it'll be the dimes. I'll put those into my $5 challenge sinking fund. So I really want to get into saving. I'm going to be showing you guys my real budget and real numbers. I do work 2 jobs. I'm a teacher and a receptionist part-time. I'm also a teacher part-time as well. So I need to save anyway because during summer and also in December, which is next month, I won't be working for 3 weeks due to the Christmas holiday. So in 2021, I'm also not going to be working this summer, so I need to start saving anyway. I might speed up some footage. Of course, the parts of me not talking. So yeah. Trying to go fast. Ew. And when I show you guys my budget and how I budget, it's also going to be like a rough draft. And I also will be showing you guys my debts, which is not much, but I do have them, like most people or all of people, I don't know. But I will be showing you guys that and which one I'll be tackling first, because right now I don't know if I want to do the debt snowball or the debt avalanche. So yeah, this is all new to me. I've been watching a lot of videos, but you gotta actually do in order to see what works best for you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting. I'm going to start rolling my quarters. $10. Another $10. Another $10. This is 34 quarters. I'm 4 quarters short, so I'm just going to dump these quarters in with the nickels. Next, I'm going to roll dimes. $50. $5. 50. another $5. And of course, this is not going to make another $5, so I'm going to dump this up in there, the penny. And I'm just going to roll these and show you guys how many I have. Roll in my pennies, calculate what I have, show you guys basically how much we have saved that's rolled and what's in here. And then I'll update you guys when I get more rolls for the rest of the quarters and the nickels. So we have 1, 2, 250. $10, $20, $30, $40. We have 57.50. Yeah. And our coin jar, and then we don't have this yet. So far we have 57.50. And then we're going to count the sinking funds. Well, my daughter $1 sinking funds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In her little envelope. And I want to put this in her bank, her little piggy bank. And I haven't customized these envelopes yet because, like I said, I don't know what I'm saving for or my goal. So $12 for Ava. And then for my $5 challenge, I have 5, 10, 15. I'm gonna what I'm going to do once I convert everything, once this jar that I have it in is full, all that money is going to go into the sinking fund, the dollars, the fives, and then if I have any other sinking funds, or because I don't know what categories I'm going to do, then I'll put the other money, like the $10 bill, the $10 ones, and the nickels into an envelope as well. So this is as of 11/23/20. So for our coin jar, 57.50, and then in fives I have $15. My daughter has $12, and altogether that's $27. But of course the fives is for my $5 challenge, and the ones is for her and her piggy bank. So yeah, I'm going to figure this all out. But this is where we at for my first savings video. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe and leave me down any tips on this whole system. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for watching. And also, you guys, leave me down any money emoji so that I can know that you watched the entire video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be coin jar, as well as when I do how I budget bi-weekly, and basically what categories I may have. Since Christmas is right around the corner, I don't know how much I'm going to be saving. I actually have a savings account, and I with my bank, which is Chase, and I don't know, the money that I have in there, it might be gone because my daughter's birthday, Christmas, her birthday is December 7th, then it's Christmas, and then it's my birthday in January, and I haven't been saving. Just subscribe and watch my journey and see what's up. Okay, gems, bye.